A couple of months ago, we posted this video on grilled octopus, and it's doing really well on social media. Thank you guys so much for watching it and getting inspired and posting your videos and photos on Instagram and Facebook. I kind of wanted to go back to the drawing board and try something new, take it a little bit further. So I've been seeing these recipes out there, and there's some folks that are cooking octopus sous vide, which is basically cooking something low and slow in a water bath at a very precise temperature. And there's some recipes that are saying you should cook octopus for 5 to 6 hours at 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and that makes the perfect tender, but still bitey, kind of chewy octopus with a great flavor. So today I'm going to do octopus for 6 hours in a sous vide bath at 171 degrees, then marinate it for 24 hours in the fridge, and then grill it on charcoal. Let me show you how to do it.
Take your octopus and wash it well. Then cut off the head right underneath the eyes and remove the beak by pushing your finger through the hole in the head. Shock the octopus in boiling water, submerging it 3 times, and then put it on ice so it can cool down quickly. Next, put together a simple but tasty marinade that gives a lot of flavor to our octopus. A cup of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a couple of garlic cloves, and a seafood blend of herbs, thyme, parsley and dill. Place the octopus in a bag, add the marinade and vacuum seal it. Then cook it in a sous vide bath at 171 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 hours. Once it's done, remove it and put it on ice and then refrigerate it, still in the same bag, for up to 24 hours, so that the octopus can absorb all those delicious flavors of the marinade. I'm going to sear the octopus on my Kamado Joe over FOGO premium lamb charcoal. Searing it will add some crunchy texture and that incredible grilled flavor you can only get on your charcoal grill. I will set the grill to direct cooking at a high heat around 400 to 500 degrees. Remove the octopus from the sous vide bag and cut it into individual legs. That will make it easier to grill it and to get each leg perfectly charred. At this stage, the octopus is already fully cooked, so we're just adding a little bit of char, a little bit of flavor to the legs. Carefully turn them until they're charred to your liking.
Alright, our grilled octopus is done, and you know what? It looks pretty amazing.
It does look really good.
Ron, thanks for coming back. We did octopus last time a couple of months ago. How do you feel this went?
I tell you what, this is, it's a little different method, but I think that it looks and smells. I can't wait to dig into it.
Like, you know, when I opened the sous vide bag, oh my God, like all
Yeah.
those aromas, all those smells came out.
It smells so good.
yeah.
I wanted to reach right in and just grab a piece there, you know?
All right, let's go.
So, all right.
So I cut up a tentacle into like little pieces, kind of
Right.
like sashimi style, or whatever you want to call
Oh,
it.
it smells good still.
Yeah, let's go for that. Yeah, check this out.
Oh, man.
So a bunch of just little
Bravo.
cuts.
Nice and tender.
Oh yeah,
Flavorful. Oh, yeah, that's
I think
really
we
good.
aced it.
Wow, that's really good.
much better than last time.
Well,
right?
you know, when last time we did it, we boiled it and you had to dip it into boiling. It kind of leaves it a little bit unsure, you
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
That sous vide really did a nice job. It's perfect
Yeah,
texture.
I love this too.
Yeah.
It's really good.
You know, it's not soft till it's mushy. It's still got some body to it.
Yep.
And still got, oh man, it's good.
I think today we also did better searing, not just better on the cooking, but better on the searing.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, check this out. Like all the little suckers got like a perfect sear, perfect kind of caramelization on it. It just, you know, it gives that sensation, that crust, that like texture.
Yep.
You know, I think we were missing a little bit. You know how we said last time that the skin is a little bit slimy and
Yeah.
sticky?
Yeah.
I think we almost undercooked it.
We have none of that.
Yeah, I think it was overcooked in the water bath
Right.
last time.
Yeah.
But under grilled, and so the skin was like a bit yucky. let's
Yeah,
say.
it was like you said, it was slimy to the
And
touch.
it's much better. I mean, you still have the skin here, but now the skin is
It's dried
yeah, it's
on
like
there?
crunchy.
It's dried on there
Yeah.
kind of almost? Yeah. Oh, it's really good. Well, what I like too is that we did char it more. We got the grill nice and hot, like 600 degrees or
Oh,
something
yeah.
like that, you know? And then, oh yeah. Look at
that
it's
worked
perfect.
really well.
Yeah.
Get the grill hot. We had it running at like 600 degrees, tons of flames, and still, you know, we had. I think we grilled the octopus on each side for about a minute and a half. Really, it was almost like, you know, there was no rush about it.
Yeah.
You know, we didn't. I mean, we were worried to burn it, but it took a while to get to that crispy, caramelized kind of outside.
Well, that's the thing. You don't want to overcook it. You can overchar it too. Then all of a sudden you're just eating black ash, you know? But this
look
is
at this.
got a nice char here.
I don't know if it's moist or something. Oh yeah, check it out. I mean, look, yeah, super tender. It just falls apart basically.
You know, I like it because you want to get that char on there, but you don't want to overchar it.
But it has a bit of a chew too. You know, it's
Got a
not
little bit.
not totally. I think last time it was a little bit on the overly mushy side, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's got a little chew to it, but it's not chewy.
Yeah.
You know, like I said, it's got a little bite to it, and oh man. I'll tell you what, I'm a fan of sous vide octopus right here.
Yeah. Do
That
you have
is
one of
real
these
good.
like sous vide?
I do.
cookers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, okay.
Yep. I've never made an octopus in it. I make steaks. I've made some things like that, but real good. You know what else?
Well, it's becoming more popular.
This is key. The grilled lemon and the grilled lime. It just adds such a nice
That is the
flavor
key
to
ingredient.
It, you know?
We keep
It
talking
really
about
is.
all this stuff, but
Yeah.
it's really the little things that
Yeah.
make or break the dish. You know, like the secret sauces and that kind of stuff. Yeah.
The difference in the flavor between that and that is going to be unreal. That grilling, it really makes it, just gives a nice extra sweet flavor. I love it. And it looks so beautiful too. You know, it's impressive. I like it because you have some guests over and you make this. It's something totally different, and it's easy, and it's delicious.
I think this, the grilled octopus, I would recommend it as like an appetizer. You know, because you're not gonna eat a whole octopus. Not one person's gonna eat a whole tentacle.
Sure.
But kind of like this, served like this. You know, kind of cheeky with like little bites.
Sure.
This is like beautiful.
Absolutely.
Just as an appetizer, and people will be like, "What is this?" And I bet, you know, 80% of your guests will never have had this.
If you tell them what it is, they might not want to try it. But if you
Try
if
it, it's
try
chicken.
yeah, exactly.
Like, oh, this chicken's so good.
That's really tasty.
Yeah,
I like it.
really yummy.
So how long was it in the sous vide for? About 6 hours, 7
6
hours?
hours.
6 hours.
6 hours. Oh, and that, we didn't even talk about it, yeah. That could have made a crucial difference as well. When we boiled it, I just let it sit in the marinade for about an hour or so.
Right.
I mean, some people recommend even after boiling, you can marinate it for about 24 hours.
Yeah.
But it's way easier in the sous vide bag, right? So in the sous vide bag, I put the oil, I put the salt, pepper, garlic, and all the spices
Right.
and everything. I cook it for 6 hours, and then I just transfer that back into like an ice bath, let's say, and
Yeah.
then into the fridge.
Stop.
And it's easy, you know, like it's not messy. You don't have to mess around or anything like that.
Sure.
Just take the bag, put it on ice, put it in the fridge, put
Lickety
on the
split,
grill.
you're done.
You know?
Yeah.
Pretty simple.
Well, that was great.
Yeah.
The other thing that I like too is the way that the little curls taste and everything like that. But the herbs and stuff in with it, you can taste when you bite into that. You can
Yeah.
taste the herbs in there.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
What I like is that since we did the last Instagram video, the last YouTube video, is that I've seen a bunch of other people cooking octopus
It's
on
catching
there.
on, right?
Yeah, every time I do it, I'm like, hey, I wonder if we had something to do with that, you know? And
People
it's
are getting
neat.
out of their comfort zone, trying something new. I love it, yeah.
It's nice to see people trying different things, you know, because, I mean, we all cook pork, we all cook, you know, things like that. But it's nice when you try, when you do something like this and you see people try it and they're happy with their results.
Yeah.
It's, you know, I don't know if we had anything to do with it or not, but...
we need to get into the Everglades, catch an alligator and grill it.
I'd love to do that. I'd love to do that, no doubt.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
All right.
Just as long as we keep both of our arms.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And you know, there's nothing wrong with the way we cooked octopus in the other episode a couple of months ago. It's a very regular way to boil it in water and then just grill it. But I think sous vide could make it easier for a lot of you guys. You know, a lot of you guys already have sous vide machines at home, and it's just very simple. You know, you put it in the sous vide bath and kind of set it, forget about it, and it comes out perfect, you know, every single time. That's kind of the benefit of doing sous vide. So I hope you like this, and make sure to check in again next week for another episode. See you guys.
Bye.
I can't talk.